Welcome to HowToMedia. Today I'll be giving you a full walkthrough of the Clubhouse application and show you how to use it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment. So basically, Clubhouse is a place where you can communicate and network with thousands of people around the world through voice chat rooms. First, have a good Wi-Fi connection. Then go to the Play Store, search for Clubhouse, and then install the application. Open the application and then you will get introduced to this welcome page. Now enter your phone number, then you will get a code from the Clubhouse which will get you verified. But let me tell you something first. You have to get the invitation link from someone who is already using the application. I have already received an invitation link, so I'm able to access it. Now you will get to see this feed which is called Hallway. There are many voice chat rooms where you can enter and listen to people talking about different topics. And also you can start your own room and have a talk about your interests with hundreds of people. And this is an explore option where you can follow your friends and families who are in your contact list. Here you can also send invitation links, but you are limited to only 5 people. You can also explore various upcoming events and get notified about them by pressing the bell icon. So this is all about the rising social media app Clubhouse. If you have any queries, then feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Thank you.